Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to quickly show you the one trick I use for editing pictures. It's so easy and it can make them look so much better on Photoshop. So I'm just going to get right into it, show you what to do. It'll take like 30 seconds and you can do this on most of your pictures. The only ones I wouldn't necessarily recommend, or I would recommend using caution, is like graphic images, because Photoshop's going to assume it's an image with depth, and so it's going to try, what I'm going to use it for is going to try to accommodate for that. So, but for most pictures that you take with your camera, it makes it look 10 times better. It's so easy. So any designers, anyone using photography, take this into consideration to real quickly improve your photo qualities. Alright, so I have some images open here, pre-editing. I've already edited these before with this tool, so I know what it's going to look like. So quick note, well actually let me just show you. Let me crop this real quickly. So here's the tool, super easy. You go up to the top bar, go to image, adjustments, and it's these two, levels and curves. Now the thing that makes these so great is you don't have to do anything. You hit the auto button and it's going to auto improve this image. So I'm going to hit auto, and as you can see, it already lines up the image. It was kind of dark before and hard to see. Now I'm going to go back and go to levels, hit it auto again, and it brightened it up a little bit. Now the thing about it, sometimes you have to go over it 1 or 2 times. It's not perfect, so I did it twice here. I go to images again and then go to levels, auto, and as you can see, much more vivid, much easier to read, an overall cleaner picture. And we'll do a before and after at the end here. So now this one here, yeah, so and this was a teapot I designed in my industrial design class. So here is a something I designed in my studio class, and it's a little dark right now, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this image better using these two tools again, which is, it's just so fast and improves it so much. It's silly not to use it on your images. So look at that, much brighter. This has a golden orange now. The background's actually a clean white. I'm going to go over it again with the levels. Much cleaner, much easier to read. Colors pop out better. I'm actually going to go over it one more time here. There you go. Super nice whites. That's much better to read. As you can see, the images are already much higher quality than what they were when we first brought them on here. And then this one. So this is one that's not actually a picture, but still works. I still use these on tools like non-camera images. So I'll go to images and I'll do curves, auto, and what it'll do is it'll increase saturation, make it determine what it needs, and kind of upgrade it. Sometimes I don't go with it because I mean it's not perfect, but 99% of the time it's gonna make the image better. So let me do a quick comparison here so you can see the differences between these, because yeah, this is such an easy tool to use because it does the work for you, and I mean it's really just going to make your designs much better. So let me get this for us real quickly. So this is the original image, and this is it after using the auto curves and levels. Just much better overall, way easier to read. This one here. So this is the image before editing. I mean, it really brings out the white in the background because it is a white background, but it shows gray in the picture. And I took this with a nice camera. So even if you have a high quality camera, you can really get some nice improvements by using these tools. And it takes no more than 15 seconds to add these on all your images. So I hope you'll take that into account when you're editing images. I hope you'll get some better quality. And so yeah, if you use this in a cool way, send me your images and I'll make more videos in the future. Subscribe and I'll catch you guys later.